Bago kayong lahat, ah. Saan niyo natutunan ang ligo na yan? Hi, Mr. Wong. Oo, yung account mo niya. Yung nakalagay na niya. 5 days. Sana all malakas. Alam niyo guys, kung yung pera niyo, di niyo alam saan niyo dadalhin. Itulong niyo na lang sa mga host. Maganda yan. Para nakakatulong kayo. I'll try to come here pag live ka. Okay. Okay. Ako kasi hindi ako titigil magbigo hanggat di ako nakakapagtapos sa pag-aaral. Yun ang goal ko. Boston! You send the another 1K. Nix, hello. Nix! Oh, thank you, Nix. Thank you so much. Parang ano, parang I want to experience the UA crossword. I think is it pretty? Maganda ba yon guys? Yung 3K? Hi, Noel. James, hello. Feel ko maganda yun. The UA crossword. Jeff, hello. Guys, ano, di na kayo magsisend, mag-e-end na ako. Sobrang sakit na ng ano ko, ulo ko. Parang tatagos na ako sa pader. Miyu, hello. How are you, Miyu, Miyu? Good morning. Son of God, hello. Bigyan mo rin na. Hi, Mary. Is it there's something ba? Maybe you should down. Your mama's all life. You see what's everyone. And I never like. Good morning, lovely. Good morning, Mio. Where are you from, Mio? And I've been so caught up in my job. Can't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way Australia, what time is it there? You look that much. Oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on. Why do you use AI? You're already beautiful without it. I'm so ugly. You know, if you see my picture, I'm ugly. I have so many insecurities. That's why. But I hope if I don't have if I reach first box today, I will remove my filter. I'm from America. Nice to meet you. You're already with the I love your looks. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. But yeah, I hope if I reach first box today, I will remove this. Do you want to give me? Umalis. What is your favorite? My favorite color is red or green. Not red. Yeah, I will end now. Kira, mag-end na ako. Mag-end na ako, Kira. Pota naman. Ibalik ko pota. Awa, matutod na ako. Matutundo na ako eh. Bye, Kira. Bye, Calboy. Thank you, guys. I hope to see you soon again. Like, you see me. You come here again here in my life. Bye, Kira. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.